In this meditation is about patience and steadfastness. It will help you internalize the importance of sticking to your trading plan and waiting for the right setup. By practicing mindful waiting and resisting the urge to trade out of boredom or fear of missing out, you strengthen your ability to trade only when the odds are in your favor. Make yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and begin with a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, feeling your lungs expand and your body fill with calm. Exhale fully, releasing tension. Allow your breathing to fall into a natural, steady rhythm. With each breath, invite a little more relaxation into your body. Your shoulders drop. Your hands rest easily. Your mind starts to quiet. Now imagine you are in front of your trading screen during a typical day. The market is open and moving, but at the moment there are no clear signals or setups that meet your criteria. Perhaps you've been sitting for a while, watching and waiting. Notice how this waiting feels. You might detect a hint of impatience, an urge to do something, to find a trade where there isn't one, just to feel active. Maybe your body shows signs of restlessness, a bounce in your leg, a tightness in your chest, or your eyes flitting quickly over the chart searching for anything that could be a trade. Simply observe these sensations and impulses. It's human to feel uneasy when we're not active, especially as a day trader accustomed to making quick decisions. Acknowledge the thought or feeling that may arise. What if I miss out on a move? Maybe I should just take a chance on this stock that's moving a little. See that thought appear in your mind like a pop-up message. Rather than following it, you're going to address it calmly. Take a slow, deep breath in as you breathe out. Imagine that impulsive thought floating away like a leaf on a stream. It drifts off and disappears from view. You don't need to grab onto it. You're returning to a place of calm watchfulness. Remind yourself why you have a trading plan in the first place. It's there to guide you to the best opportunities and to protect you from random, low-quality trades. It's a product of your knowledge and experience made in a clear-headed moment. Trust that plan now. Visualize yourself sitting patiently, eyes on the market but mind at ease. Perhaps you take a sip of water or coffee, or you jot down some observations in a journal as you wait. You're not anxious because you know that not trading is sometimes the smartest action. You're like a surfer waiting for the right wave. You don't jump on every ripple, only the waves that feel just right. In your mind, affirm, waiting is part of my strategy. I only trade when the setup is right. Feel the truth of that. With each breath, you become more comfortable with the quiet moments. They are not empty or wasted. They are the times when a trader's discipline is tested and forged. By staying patient now, you conserve your energy and focus for when it truly counts. Now imagine that, after a period of waiting, the market begins to align with one of your setups. Slowly, a clear pattern emerges or the price reaches a level you've been watching. This is it, the moment you've prepared for. Because you have been calm and attentive, you spot it immediately. Feel the sense of alertness, yet calm focus as you recognize the conditions you need. See yourself following your plan step by step. You double-check the signal, Yes, it matches your criteria. You enter the trade decisively without hesitation or second guessing, because you've been planning for this. Notice how different this feels compared to chasing a random hunch. There is confidence in your action. You place your stop loss and take profit orders exactly as your strategy dictates. You are in the flow, executing the trade smoothly. The trade begins to move, and because it was a solid setup, it behaves as expected. Perhaps it goes in your favor, and you manage it well. But even if it turns into a loss, you know it was a trade worth taking. It met your high standards. Either outcome, you've traded with integrity and patience. Feel the satisfaction in that. This is the quality of trading you aspire to. Mindful, strategic, patient. Now, reflect for a moment on the alternative. If you had not waited, if you had taken a mediocre trade out of impatience earlier, what could have happened? You might have been distracted or tied up in a bad position when this good setup finally appeared. By sticking to your plan and waiting, you have given yourself the best chance for success. Appreciate yourself for that wise choice. Feel a sense of trust building in your own process. You are proving to yourself that you have the discipline to do nothing when nothing is to be done, which is just as important as taking action at the right time. In your mind, you might say to yourself, I trust my strategy. I am patient. The market will present opportunity.